This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I will show how you can flip the video vertically. So if you would like to vertically flip the footage from your live camera or security camera and flip it 100 degrees vertically, you will need to first launch the ARLO Secure app, then enter the devices section there, tap at the camera you would like to flip, then go into its settings, video settings, and here just enable the rotate image 180 degrees. That's what the result should look like. Well, now it looks like the result. So I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.